I'll just make some requests. Given what Chief Emmanuel said, we must learn to give honor to whom honors to. Again, he made a request, Mr. President, Ngige, representing Buhari. There's something we attach as Okorocha, very important, when somebody makes the last request at the point of death. And he requested that the president should please not honor him in any way, but honor him by releasing his son, Nnamdi. That only request. He said to Mr. President, now that he's dead, he's no more alive, he made that last request. They will honor him by bringing Nnamdi out for the purpose of peace, demonstration, and dramatization in the federal government. Don't throw the Igbos away. Throwing the Igbos away might be throwing away the destiny of this country. Let's not see the Igbos as non-performers and those who like war and violence. They're the peacemakers. And they're the only one in this country who can travel 1,000 kilometers away from their village, going to another state, developing the economy. But while I did Nigeria to be fair to indeed, people should also be fair to themselves. But